Hello my lovelies, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's feeling very well. So today I wanted to show you a little unboxing. This is by Nic and Sam Chapman. They are beauty artists. Now they are the founders of the Real Techniques brushes, which I absolutely love. You know, I've had some of these brushes for absolutely years. They wash up, they're good value for money, and they almost always say what they're going to do on the instructions of how to use them. So I saw they were doing their own little box. I decided to go ahead and order it. It was £28, which may seem a little bit of money, and you can pick this up from, I think it was Smashbox that I got this from. Love the box, really nice. I'm sure most people know and have heard of. I think they originally started off as like Pixie Woo. That's when I started to follow them on YouTube. I don't actually follow them on Instagram, but I'm not a massive Instagram person anyway. So inside you get a little leaflet. This tells you all about the products. Oh, you get a wonderful face mask. Yay! And then you get some goodies inside. Okay, so let's start by... So the first product here, we have an Estee Lauder. This mascara is everything, petite brush head, so you can make sure every single lash is coated and it's supremely black. We are in love with this new mascara. Okay, so that is this. It's like really tiny, like a travel size, I guess. It has 2.8 mils. The brush is very small. So it's great for under eye, if you're inclined to do your under eye. I don't tend to, but I look forward to giving that a try. So that's an item, Estee Lauder, good make. Right, then next we have a product by Clinique. That'll be this. Take the Day Off Makeup Remover for lids, lashes and lips. This is a 30ml, and it says, we swear by this product for taking off makeup at the end of the day. It's my first step when removing all my stubborn eye makeup before I have a shower and cleanse my skin. I love it because it's easy and you don't have to rub on your skin. So I've never owned anything by Clinique before, so that's what you get. I tend to swear by L'Oreal micellar water. I absolutely love it, but I'll be happy to give this a go. And then we have, now I already have this, so unfortunately I'm not going to swatch it, but I do use it and I really like it. So this is by MAC. This is the mini MAC Strobe cream. It's a 30ml size. Strobe is our holy grail of eliminating, moisturizing. We think it is one of the best. Use it on the face or body to help dry, dull looking skin appear glowing, radiant and even smoother. This is a fantastic underneath or even on the top of your foundation. It's especially gorgeous on the collarbones and down the front of the leg. So like I said, I do use this, and I tend to use this on my sort of like no makeup days, and I just dash a little bit sort of here, up here, here, my high points, or equally I'll just put a dollop of this in my moisturizer, and it just gives a nice really healthy glow. It goes on really nicely, so I'm really pleased I've got this, because like I say, I am in the process of using one that I bought before. So yeah, really pleased I got that. And just for those of you wondering, it actually comes out, well my one does, it comes out white. Not, you would think it'd come out pink, but my one comes out white, like a pearly sort of colour. So then on to the Glamglow Oxidizing Deep Cream Mask. What's this? This is not your regular sheet mask. A 3-minute cleansing and detoxifying mask. It oxygenates, sorry, on application, creating a bubbly sensation and leaving the skin looking glowing, feeling purified and invigorated. As you guys know, I'm not one of these sort of people's fans. I probably have a stack like this. I don't tend to use them. I think I need to start using them. Clearly, they're always sent out for a reason. I always feel like they're just popped in a box to make up the number of products. But I'll give it a go and let you know how I get on with it. Okay, so next we have Bumble and Bumble. Now I've heard of Bumble and Bumble, and again, I do not own any products by Bumble and Bumble. This is what you could get. You will love this product if you want your hair to look and feel thicker, or like Sam and me, you just want more texture and volume. We love to use this after we wash our hair to add texture. It makes my hair look less limp and not too perfect, and it adds a little edge of interest. This is a thickening Dryspun texture spray, and you get 60 ml. Okay. Next we have a Bobbi Brown crushed lip colour in the colour Ruby. So that will be this. It's in a little box. So it says we picked the perfect red lipstick to complement our Smashbox Cover Shot Eye Palette. A colour that looks fantastic on everyone, whether blended in and warm as a stain or applied with maximum opacity for a show-stopping look. You'll love the comfortable texture too. So it is a little like kind of travel size one by Bobbi Brown. I do own a few Bobbi Brown products. The colour is stunning. This is my sort of colour for sure. Do tend to go for the more reds and warm colours, and that is a swatch of it there. So very nice, like that. Okay. Then we have another product by Bobbi Brown. This is called the Bronzing Powder. It's Golden Light. Golden Light, a beautiful lightweight matte finish bronzer, perfect for a soft light bronzing, or it's lovely as a matte powder on dark skin. So that will be this one. So it comes like this. Cute. It has a mirror and a little swatch. Now some of these things I just use as a transition colour for my eyeshadow. So look forward to that. Great. I didn't come in a box, did I? Okay, next we have Smashbox Cover Shot Eye Palette called Ablaze. All we can say is you're welcome. If you haven't tried those palettes, you are going to love them. The pigment is strong and intense, the size is perfect to travel with, and the colours are fantastic for everyone. So again, I don't own anything by Smashbox, and I think this is what intrigued me a lot, was getting the little palette, which is absolutely stunning. It's got one of these, what do you call them? Hologram? Well, I'm sure you know what I mean. So the packaging is pretty, it's got details and the colours there on the back and inside. Now, when I looked to see how much this was in value wise, I think it was £25. So this alone has basically paid for your box. So it opens at the front here. It is magnetised, which is great. I love the front of this where it goes in and out of the pattern. Can you see that, guys? Love it. It does have a little mirror, and these colours are just down my alleyway. I absolutely love, love, love those colours. So I have to swatch, obviously. Okay, so the first three, and I'm guessing they put them like these as to how to wear them. These are definitely an everyday kind of look that you would get away with, and they are gorgeous, absolutely stunning. So that was those three, and then these three, which again I will wear. Love, love, love. Right, hang on, let's do the other hand to get a true colour. Nice. Yeah, stunning. Really like that. And it also looks like we've got a powder or transition colour, and looks like we've got a little highlighter as well. So yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. I love the fact that you get a mirror. That is absolutely great. Just wipe my hands. Right, and then you also get Real Techniques Rebel Edge Fine Brush. We've included this little Real Techniques brush to use with your, I'm so sorry but I haven't got my glasses, and you know guys, I need my glasses to see anything. Brush to use with your Smashbox Cover Shot Eye Palette, applying a little of the darkest brown shadow along the lash line or through the socket to create instant definition, or buff out gently for a smoky eye effect. So as you know, I love, love, love Real Techniques brushes. And this is so cute. Fabulous. I mean, I look forward to using that. Oh my God, it's so soft. And ladies that get a little bit older, I don't know about you, but I do struggle, particularly because I'm supposed to wear glasses, of just trying to get that straight line. So I think this will really, really help. I also do have like the old hooded eye. So this will be great for just bringing that eyeshadow out as much as I need. So yeah, I look forward to trying that. Lovely. And also we have a little pink ribbon, which is a very nice touch. So I understand that Smashbox does support. Let me just see if it says anything. No. Oh, hang on. If you think it's good to get any better, it can. So we're proud to tell you that 10% of the total is going to the Estee Lauder Companies UK Ireland Charity Partners Breast Cancer Haven, the Look Good Feel Better. So sorry, it is not Smashbox, it's actually Estee Lauder, which is really, really good. I do have a code that you're welcome to use. I will leave it down below. It's called Use Sam something to get 15% off your next order over £30. Okay, so that is it, guys. Beautiful photo of those two lovely sisters. So that's it, guys. What did you actually think? I thought this was well worth £28. It's good because you can actually see what you're getting. So it's not a surprise as such. So if you have like certain items of this collection, it probably wouldn't be for you, but there's a hell of a lot there that I do not own. So I'm really looking forward to trying the Smashbox eyeshadow palette. If you would like to see me try and create a look with this, then please leave a comment down below and I'll see what I can do. And I love, love, love the little lipstick. It's in my shade. I love, love, love these warm colours. Not sure whether this is going to look great, but if not, I'll always use it as a transition colour. And as you guys know that I've already said, I own this already. I can only like big this up. I think it's really, really nice. It just gives you a really nice healthy glow if you're not wanting to wear foundation but you still want to look a little bit healthy. So perfect. Right, that's it from this unboxing. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave your comments, don't forget to like, and if you like these kind of videos, please subscribe to my channel. Until I do my next unboxing, please take care of yourselves and I'll speak to you very soon. Take care. Bye for now. Bye. Mwah.